Hello guys, this is my project. It's an InterfacePi car. This is how I call it, and it's a car driven by Raspberry, and it's controlled by a wireless joystick. And I will try in this video to present how it was constructed. First of all, it works very fine with this right stick. I can control movement left or right. This will be right, this will be left, and with this one I can control forward or backward. Okay, so let's see the components. First of all, here I have two chassis. These are plexiglass. You can buy these ones, are not so expensive. For my project I've used a battery pack, a battery bank for powering Raspberry. Actually, when I was a kid I was upset very often because the battery at that time were not so good, and after 10 minutes of playing with the car I had to replace the batteries, or even wait until new ones will be bought by my parents. So in this case, I would say I have a lot of power. This one is a power bank. I think it has 8,400 milliampere hours. So this one will power up the Raspberry. I'll show you more details in a moment. And this one will power the two motors. And this one has 2,200. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Actually, it's very easy to access it. I built this way because I wanted to have easy access when I want to modify something. So after unscrewing these things, then I can remove this one. Okay. So here you can see the Raspberry Pi. This is the latest model. This is a switch on off. This one actually interrupts the battery. This battery. It's important to have this kind of thing because if you do tests, sometimes the car will go crazy and you need to power it off. Okay, so this will be the Raspberry. Here I've done all the connections between Raspberry, the motor driver, motors, and the battery pack behind. Okay, and I have four motor with wheels. These are also not so expensive, I'll say. Okay. Okay, if you want to build this kind of project, I will say it is very easy. Just to buy the parts, I'll put all the details on my site. Here on the Raspberry I have two things. This is a Wi-Fi dongle because sometimes I want to modify some configurations on the Raspberry, so it's connected to my network. And this one is the dongle from the stick. Okay, what else I can tell you? I think this is it. If you go to my site, you'll see all the details in there. I will paste the code. I'm using a new model of the motor driver, as you can see here. This one is better than the previous L298 model, and I'll say the car is moving very good. So thank you very much and enjoy.